how to create custom columns. Good question. Best way would be to go into the interface and show you how to do that. So all you do is you go to campaigns and then you go to columns. You can either modify or create a new one. So I've got a custom column set which I can edit or I can modify. So I'll go over here, edit this one. And then you will see lots of these metrics. And along the bottom, you are going to see custom column. I'm going to zoom in a bit more so you guys can see this a bit better. Okay, I think that's better. Where were we? There you are. Custom columns. Click on it and then click the plus button. And you go to this pop-up window which says here, create a custom column. Let's say I want to create a custom column for cost per conversion. So I can call it CPA. You can put in the description cost per acquisition. And then you have the number form, the data format, whether it's a number, percent, a currency. So for this, it is currency. And then I'm going to go into the columns. And so the formula for cost per conversion or cost per acquisition is cost divided by conversions. So cost is under performance. Now that's the only thing you will need to go through if you are not very familiar as to which metrics are hidden under which section. Then you'll have to go through each. Cost is over here. Cost, and then you click on divide that by. I have to enlarge it a bit more. Okay, cost divided by, then I'll go back again, conversions. Now you have got a cost per conversion anyway, so you may think, why am I showing this to you? But you can create any kind of custom column from here. So now when you go back to your column set. Okay, so we were under modify columns and so in some accounts you will find that the custom column is somewhere else. Like over here, I was looking at the bottom, it's not there. You've got the custom columns, but you've got this blue button over there as well, which is the custom column. It's the same thing. So you can say CPA. Let's do ROAS. The conversion value, which is, where is it gone? Conversion value divided by cost under performance. And that is your ROAS. You can then put in a percentage, save it. And you can apply that. And then you will see, you can't see it at the moment. And there you go. That's my ROAS. So you can go and create as many custom columns you may like. And using all this, you got this function one as well as to create a custom column with using these functions as well. But you we don't use that a huge amount, but usually we use these ones to create our custom columns for CPA or cost per booked calls and so on.